This is Reese and Wilson running. This is Robert videoing. Run! That's my dog Wilson, and that's Blue. Go Reese. Okay, now you video. Wilson! Come on.
Come on, Wilson. Go get him.
Come on. Come on. Wilson. Come on, Wilson. Come here. Come on. Oh. Oh boy. Oh, Reese. Whew. Reese is getting his shoes. Wilson, just standing there. Wilson. He is a Havapoo. Okay. Reese is ready. Here, Wilson. Come here. Reese, get really close to him and start running. Go, Wilson. Ow! Ugh!
Come on, Russell Wilson.
I think I just broke my... Here, run now. Wilson! Come on! I'm running with him. Go, Wilson!
Come on, boy.
I guess Wilson doesn't want to run. He's being scared. Go get him. There he is. Go get him. Go get him. Ugh. Wilson, go chase him. Oh, don't get in there.
No, Blue's gonna go take a dump.
My dog is going to go take a dump.
Don't walk down there with socks on.
I know. I don't have shoes. Okay.
Have you seen the creek?
Okay, we're going to go down to the creek. Oh, there he goes. Here he goes. Go, Reese. Woo, them shoes. Woo. Oh, Reese with the moves. Here, Reese, take it. I'm running. Okay, there he goes. One more time. Run. Ooh. Here, Reese, take it. You already got touched by him. Where? Here. There he goes. Oh, he's coming around.
Bye.
Dude, tired just to work out. Oh, ready? Ready? There he goes! Oh my gosh. This is a workout, viewers. Stop right there. Come here. No, here, stop. Wow. Wilson, no. Oh God! Oh no, chase me! No! Go. That's the end. That's the end of this video. I'll see you guys in the next episode.